All right, y'all, so I have a little hurdle right now in my Microloc journey. As you can see, this lock is hanging on by a thread, like a literal thread.
Everything they say, I understand, so I can speak the language.
Let's talk about how I just found this out. I have kind of like a twist out kind of going on right now. When I took it out, I was like, okay, my hair is giving, you know, the look I'm looking for. But I was running my hands through it and I was just like, is this a string? Do I have a string in my hair? And y'all, this lock did not look like this before. Can y'all see this? Oh, y'all, look, it starts off like, this is how I was used to it looking, and then it goes down, and then what happened here? So here's my thoughts. I don't know how to fix this, but I'm gonna figure it out. I didn't go in my lock journey unprepared, so I have a crochet hook. But here's the thing, y'all. I ain't never did this before, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Now, I've seen some videos of people fixing this, but I wanna see, can I do it? So here we go. So first, I'm gonna pin my hair up in a ponytail so I can isolate the lock. Oh my gosh, y'all. I just can't even believe this. What I've seen other people do is like take it, pin it up like this. Oh, dang, it almost fell off with me doing that. Pin it up and then try to crochet the hairs so it can be thick again. We gonna do this. We gonna try to figure it out. Y'all don't judge me. I have not ever did this before. I really don't know what I'm doing, but now I'm gonna try to get up close. And y'all don't judge my fingers because I ain't here for that. But anyway, y'all, this is a crochet hook and this is a 0.75 crochet hook. As you can see, that very end, it has a tiny, tiny, tiny hook at the very end. So I'm going to use the very end of this tool to try to fix this lock. Now, what I'm doing is trying to take those hairs and twist as I go around. This is a little bit harder than I thought. Oh, okay, that didn't work. Let me try it again. I feel like I'm gonna make it fall off by me trying to fix it. This might end up being a fail video, but hey, you know, it comes with the territory. Now, I decided to DIY my journey, so I'm not picking and choosing right now. Oh, look, y'all. It don't look good so far, but it looks like I kind of did something. Let me keep trying. I'm really trying. Y'all, I'm sweating. I'm sweating because I don't want my lock to fall off, but is this working? Is this, it feels, oh, wait a minute. Oh, I don't know if that does look better, but it made a ball. But what about this? Like, what about that? Oh, I just snagged my hair. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go higher. Maybe I started too low. Lord help me. I'm gonna get through this. It ain't nothing I can't handle with God on my side. Oh, oh, that's looking better. But I think we can do better than this. I'm trying to rotate my lock. Right, I'm not sweating as much now, which is good. You know, when your nerves bad, it kind of just makes things worse. It's like, dang, I already feel the pressure. Oh, okay. It don't look like a thread. It don't look like a thread now. Might be a little fat at the end. Let me see if I can round this out a little bit more. So this is what I got right now, y'all. To me, this kind of looks like how some of my locks look at the ends where it's kind of budding. Now what I'm just a little worried about is this area right here. I'm twisting as I'm using this hook, y'all. I know y'all can't see me and what I'm doing, but y'all see the transformation that it's making in my lock. Okay, you got this. You can't be conquered. I'm all for saving money, y'all. But sometimes, you know, you gotta know when to say when. But I think I could save this. This doesn't look bad. Let me know down below in the comments. Have y'all ever had this sort of problem with your locks? Have you ever noticed that your locks look like they was hanging on by a thread? And if so, what did y'all do when you found out? Y'all see what I'm doing? Oh, so much better. Let me know down below, like, don't gas me up. Tell me the truth, I can take it. What do y'all think? Like, I think this is a transformation. I feel like I can hit this area up right here because Does that look a bit thinner to y'all? And I think that might be a weak point. So I don't know, what do y'all think? Do y'all think I should fold it? Cause these are Microlocs, y'all. These, my locks are supposed to be thin, but I don't want it to just be like, looking like it's just gonna fall off the tree. Don't fall off the tree on me, you know? Got everything else looking all right. And then there's this one spot right here. Ugh. Don't know if I need to get a bigger hook, but this part right here is kicking my butt. I can't seem to get this part. So I just got a 0.5 millimeter needle. I don't know if I need a bigger one, if I need a smaller one. I'm gonna try this one and see how this works for me. Still trying to get that one section. Oh yeah, oh that's way better. Trial and error, y'all. I just switched the 0.75 to the 0.5. This one's working better for me. That's looking pretty much normal again. What I was trying to do, I was able to do with the 0.5. What a relief to have clarity on what I need to do. Oh, this looks way better, y'all. I'm satisfied with this. This looks way better. This is why you can't give up on yourself, because if I was a quitter, you see, I ran into a problem and I said, well, how can I fix it? Yeah, I got some loose hair here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that. Definitely feels good to have been able to fix that. I done washed my hair like twice. So this is just what happens a few weeks after my reties. But I'm gonna retie that. Grab me an interlocking tool. I'm gonna interlock this back into my lock, so my lock is not just hanging on. My hair is quite soft around the edges, y'all. Very soft. I'm just taking that hair and I'm wrapping it around. Dang, it was longer than I thought. And I do a 3-point rotation for my locks. So here we go. Ended south last time. I always do, so I always start this way. 1, going up, 2, back to where I was just at. 3, and 4. And I'm gonna see if I can get one more rotation in. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. As y'all can see, I have like this little loose hair right here. I'm gonna see if I can try to, I never did this before either. I'm trying to see if I can crochet this loose hair in, because I just got the lock looking how I wanted it to look again, but yeah, I don't want this to slip out. So let's try to get that right. All right, y'all. Y'all, I'm literally sweating. I think I am done. I think my lock looks way better than it did. This is what I have come up with. It may not be perfect. And I also want to say, y'all, I know that was probably really painful to watch because I don't know what I'm doing. I haven't had experience like this before to even really know what to do. So if it looks cringy, I'm sorry, but y'all, it got me the result that I was looking for. So at the end of the day, a win is a win. A win is a win, no matter what it looked like. So let me see what we looking like. Y'all, it looks thick again. That thing was hanging on by a thread. Oh, it was about to fall off the tree, y'all. But now it looks good again. I'm satisfied. Another thing that makes me really happy about this win that I'm going to celebrate is that even though I didn't really have the best technique, and I know that with time and practice, I'll probably get way better at this, it still looks good. So that lets me know that I should be able to do this with other locks if they are looking like they're about to just fall off of my tree being my you know, but I'm really happy to know that I can actually do this. So another win for my DIY Microloc journey. I am taking it. Hope that this inspires anyone out there on their Microloc journey, or this was just helpful, or you just enjoyed watching my cringy repair video. But nonetheless, I appreciate you for watching and supporting me along my journey. I hope that this was helpful. I will have a Microloc playlist listed after this video. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye bye. I'm going to sleep. It's late at night.